So moving on to the first question. The first question says x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4 is equals to 322, and they are asking you to find x cube minus 1 by x cube value. See, I can explain this question in just a matter of 5 to 6 seconds. But if I am explaining in a 5 to 6 seconds, most of the non-math students are unable to understand what I am teaching. So I am here to explain you for the all kind of students. All category of students has to understand my teaching. So I am going to explain you the whole concept of algebra, formula, and how to apply and when to apply and what to apply. Everything we are going to discuss in a detailed manner. So without making delay, let's get on to the first question. X power 4 plus 1 by x power 4 is equals to 322. Here student has to understand one thing, whether he should add 2 or subtract 2. Definitely most of the students are already understood they need to add 2. And why they are adding 2? Why we are adding 2 on both sides? So x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4 plus 2 is equals to 322 plus 2, it's going to be 324. But why I added 2? Because 322 is not at all a perfect square root number. So we should check only 2 possibilities, whether minus 2 or plus 2. And minus 2, 320. Definitely 320 is not a perfect square root number, and if you add 2, you are going to get a 324, and we know 324 is a perfect square root, and x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4 plus 2 is equals to x square plus 1 by x whole square. This formula student has to remember. X power 4 plus 1 by x power 4 plus 2 is equals to x square plus 1 by x square whole square is equals to 324 means 18 square. Now square get cancelled, so we got x square plus 1 by x square is equals to 18. Again student need to understand whether he need to add 2 or subtract 2. Definitely most of the students are suggesting we need to do a subtraction of 2, because if you add 2 you are going to get 20, and if you do subtraction of 2 you are going to get 16, and 20 is not a perfect square root number and 16 is a perfect square root number. So definitely what I suggest you to subtract 2 on both sides. Okay now, so it's going to be 16, and x square plus 1 by x square minus 2 is going to be x minus 1 by x whole square is equals to 4 square root get cancelled. So finally you got x minus 1 by x is equals to 4. So almost 80% of the work completed, and here one formula I am going to explain you that is very important. If x minus 1 by x is equals to k, so x cube minus 1 by x cube is equals to k cube plus 3 times of k. Okay na? So here x minus 1 by x value 4 in the sense k. So x cube minus 1 by x cube is equals to 4 cube plus 3 times of 4 cube is 64, and 3 4s is 12 is equals to 76. Okay na? This as a teacher I can explain you, but as a student what you need to do, I am going to explain you that also. See, I written 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 steps I written on the board. It doesn't mean that you need to write all the steps in your examination. You need to do maximum to maximum 2 to 3 steps. I am going to explain you that also. First thing. Now I am going to explain you in a situation if you are in an examination hall what to do. So first of all, x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4 is equals to 322 given. Now immediately you need to do addition of 2. It is going to be 324 and it is going to be the 18 square. These things you need to do in your mind. So when you add 2 here also, so x square plus 1 by x square is equals to 18, because square will cancel. So one step already we completed in mind, I am telling you. And then do minus 2 and minus 2. So x minus 1 by x is going to be 4, because this is going to be 16. 16 is nothing but 4 square, and 4 square will cancel 4, and x minus 1 by x is equals to 4. Then x cube minus 1 by x cube is equals to 4 cube plus 3 times of 4. So 64 plus 12 is equals to 76. So question number 2. A by 1 minus a plus b by 1 minus b plus c by 1 minus c is equals to 1, and they are asking you to find 1 by 1 minus a plus 1 by 1 minus b plus 1 by 1 minus c. It is an easy question and a little bit tricky. See, a by 1 minus a, then add 1, okay, and plus b by 1 minus b, again add 1, plus c by 1 minus c plus 1 is equals to, already there is a value of 1 on the right hand side. So 1 plus 1, 2, 3, total we added 3. So a by 1 minus a plus 1, b by 1 minus b plus 1, c by 1 minus c plus 1 is equals to 1 by 1 plus 3 is nothing but 4. Now do the cross multiplication. It is going to be a plus 1 minus a by 1 minus a going to get cancelled, and again it will go here 1 plus b minus b by 1 minus b plus c plus 1 minus c upon 1 minus c is equals to 4. So b going to get cancelled, c going to get cancelled, 1 by 1 minus a plus 1 by 1 minus b plus 1 by 1 minus c is going to be 4. So option 1 is 1, 3, 4, 0. So option C is our correct answer. So here student has to understand the concept of adding 1 to the each and every term on the right hand side and left hand side also. And moving on to the right hand side, we have a value of 1, and 1 plus 3 is going to be the 4. So moving on to the third question, a square plus 1 by a square is equals to 98, and they are asking you a cube plus 1 by a cube value. Simple. A square plus 1 by a square is equals to 98. Definitely a plus 1 by a is equals to 10, because definitely I will add 2 for the next step. And if a plus 1 by a is equals to 10, then a cube plus b cube is equals to 10 cube minus 3 times of 10. So 1000 minus 30, it is going to be 970. Just tell me how many members understood this process. Most of the students can't understand. That is the reason why I will explain you the whole concept behind this logic. So this is the way how to do in your examination hall, but this is not the way for me to explain you in the online class. What, as a teacher, what is my responsibility? I need to explain you the whole concept behind this sum. So without making delay, so we'll move into the third question properly. So first thing you need to understand, a square plus 1 by a square is equals to 98. Whether do we need to add 2 or do we need to subtract 2 depends upon the nearest square. So if you add 2, then only you are going to get a perfect square. So when you are adding 2, it's going to be a plus 1 by a whole square. Clearly understand, a square plus 1 by a square plus 2 is equals to a plus 1 by a whole square is equals to 10 square, and square root to cancel, square will cancel. So finally what we are going to get, a plus 1 by a is equals to 10. Is it clear? That's fine. So whenever a plus 1 by a is equals to 10, they are asking you a cube plus 1 by a cube how much? Almost sum completed. I told you one more formula before, it was x minus 1 by x is equals to k, then x cube minus 1 by x cube is equals to k cube plus 3 times of k. Very, very important formula, you need to remember in your brain. And next, x plus 1 by x is equals to k, then x cube plus 1 by x cube is going to be k cube minus 3 times of k. Simple, before it was k cube plus 3k, and now it is k cube minus 3k. So a cube plus 1 by a cube is going to be 10 cube minus 3 times of 10, and 10 cube value 1000 and 3 times of 10 is 30, and together in total 970. So option D is the answer. Option D, 970 is the answer. See question number 4, x square plus 1 by x square is equals to 7, and they are asking you x cube plus 1 by x cube how much? Simple, just add 2 is going to be 9, and 9 is nothing but 3 square. So x plus 1 by x is going to be 3, and what we want, x cube plus 1 by x cube is equals to 3 cube minus 3 times of 3. 3 cube value 27, and 3 times of 3 is 9, and 27 minus 9 it's going to be 18. See, it's just a matter of 30 seconds to explain, and if you are doing so much of practice, it takes almost 5 to 6 seconds to put the answer in your final examination. So I would suggest you to take option A, 18. So moving on to the question number 5. x cube minus 2x cube plus 3x square minus 2x plus 3, if divides by 3x minus 2, then what is the remainder? Mark my words, remainder model is very important for your examination. Mostly they are asking you in a prelims exams, and sometimes they are asking you in a mains exams also, and this is a very easy model, but you need to do a quick calculation, and I am going to tell you how to do the quick calculation. So first of all, 3x minus 2 is equals to 0, 3x is equals to 2, and x is equals to 2 by 3. These things should be in mind, not on paper, okay na? So x is equals to 2 by 3 value we got, and what we need to do, we need to substitute x value 2 by 3 in this particular polynomial. So after solving, how much answer you are going to get, that would be the final answer. So you can go with option A, B, C, D, any one of them. So I will tell you how to substitute P of 2 by 3, and remember, this step is not required in your final exam. This step what I am writing now is not at all required for the final exam. I am explaining you for the better understanding. So 2 by 3 whole to the power 4 minus 2 times of 2 by 3 whole cube plus 3 times of 2 by 3 whole square minus 2 times of 2 by 3 plus 3. These things there is no need to write it on paper, you need to do it in your mind, and you need to directly write the final answer. So 2 power 4 value is 16 upon 81, and minus 2 into 2 cube value 8 upon 27, and as we know 2 8s are how much? 2 8s is going to be 16 plus 3 into 2 square value 4 upon 9, and 3 4s are how much? 12. So it is going to be 12 upon 9, and minus 4 upon 3, and plus 3 as we can write as a 3 upon 1. So here we have a 81, we have a 27, we have a 9, 3, 1, and you know the LCM concept. For all of them the LCM is going to be the 81, and the reason behind to take LCM to make the common denominator. So here just multiply with the 3, and upside also just multiply with the 3. The reason is important because 27 times of 3 is going to be 81, okay, and here you need to multiply with the 9, and you need to multiply with 9 because 9 9s are 81, yes, and here you need to multiply with the 27, and here also you need to multiply with the 27, and here you need to multiply with the 81, and here you need to multiply with the 81, so that we can get a common denominator of 81. 16 minus 48 plus 108, 420 is 80 plus 4 7 is 28, so total 108 on negative, and 381 is 240 plus 3 243. So if you cancel 108 and 108, so 243 plus 16 259, and if you subtract 48 you are going to get a 211. So the answer is 211 upon 81, and how fastly student is doing the calculations is purely depend upon your practice. You need to be very quick with the multiplication with numbers, very quickly you need to do. When you are substituting x is equals to 2 by 3 in the place of x power 4, in the place of x cube, in the place of x square, in the place of x, in the place of number, we need to do a very quick calculation, and you need to understand why we are multiplying with here with the 3, here with the 9, here with the 27, and here with 81. What is the reason? Because I just want a common denominator 81. So if I got 81, I can take a common denominator and I can add it or subtract it, depends upon the symbols, whatever is there, we can do the particular calculation. That's it. It's very easy to understand. So what my suggestion for you, watch the video and practice 1 or 2 times again and again, and open any book and you start your regular practice for the final examination. So moving on to the question number 6. The question, 1 by 2 times of a minus b whole square plus ab is equals to p times of a plus b whole square, and they are asking you what is the p value. Simple, we can do a substitution method, like a is equals to, you can take 1 and b is equals to 1, just substitute a is equals to 1 and b is equals to 1 randomly, any 2 numbers, not only 1 comma 1, you can substitute any values which are satisfying here. So if I put a is equals to 1, b is equals to 1, 1 minus 1 is going to be 0, 0 square is going to be 0, and 0 into anything is going to be 0. So you can cancel out this. Understanding? Half into 1 minus 1 whole square. What is 1 minus 1? 0. 0 square 0, 0 into 1 by 2 0, so you can cancel out this, completed. And 1 into 1 is going to be 1, 1 into 1 1 only now, definitely. So 1 is equals to p into 1 plus 1 whole square, 1 plus 1 means 2 whole square, 2 whole square is nothing but p times of 4. So 1 by 4 is equals to p. So what is the option? P is equals to 1 by 4, option C. Just a matter of 30 seconds. 1 is equals to p into 2 square, 2 square is nothing but 4, 4 comes here, 1 by 4 is equals to p, that's it. So moving on to the question number 7, a minus 3 is equals to 5 and a minus 3 whole cube minus 1 by a minus 3 whole cube, how much? Simple, we did this kind of model at very first question and third question, I think so. But here there is a small tricky thing we need to apply. Whenever x minus 1 by x is equals to k, then x cube minus 1 by x cube is equals to k cube plus 3k, that we know it. So most of the students will go with an option 5 cube plus 5 times of 3, 15, 125 plus 15, 140, they will go with the option. But this is absolutely wrong, because the formula says x minus 1 by x is equals to k, then x cube minus 1 by x is equals to k cube plus 3 times of k. But we don't have here we have a minus 3 and we have here a. So in this situation what we need to do? We need to do a subtraction of 3, and I will tell you why we need to do with the 3. So a minus 3 minus 1 by a minus 3 is equals to 5 minus 3 is nothing but 2. And why we are subtracting only 3? Because here a is there and here a minus 3 is there. So you want here a minus 3. Whenever you want a minus 3, put a minus 3 here and minus 3 here also, and 5 minus 3 is going to be 2. Now you can apply this formula. X minus 1 by x is equals to 2, then x cube minus 1 by x is going to be k cube plus 3k. And what is k value? K is nothing but 2 here. So 2 cube plus 3 times of 2. So 2 cube value 8 plus 3 times of 6 is equals to 14. So we will look at the options 5, 7, 7, 2, 14. So option D is our answer for the question number 7. So moving on to the question number 8. Number 8. 16a power 4 plus 36a square b square plus 81b power 4 is equals to 77, and 4a square plus 9b square minus 6ab is equals to 7. And this is newly introduced model, and it is very, very important. Definitely for the next SSC CGL exam, these kind of questions are definitely going to appear in your examination. So listen very carefully. And here see 16a power 4 and this is 4a square. This square is this one, and 9b square and 81b power 4. This square is this one, and 6ab and 36a square b square. So 6ab square is 36a square b square. And we know one formula, a plus b into a minus b is equals to a square minus b square. So this one you need to take as a and this one you need to take it as a b. So 4a square plus 9b square minus 6ab into 4a square plus 9b square plus 6ab. Here minus 6ab, here plus 6ab is equals to 16a power 4 plus 13a square b square plus 81b power 4. This you need to write in your notebook very clearly, and this one there is no need to write in your final examination. I am telling you for the clarity. So this value they given as a 7 into let us say x is equals to 77. So 7, 77, 11 times will cancel. It means 4a square plus 9b square plus 6ab is equals to 11, and 4a square plus 9b square minus 6ab is equals to 7. This is the first equation and this is the second equation, and student has to be in the level that he can write these two equations directly. These all things you need to do in your brain. See, suppose here 77 is there, here 7 is there, 7, 77, 11 times will cancel. So 4a square plus 9b square plus 6ab is going to be 11. You should do in your mind, but I cannot do in my mind to explain you. I need to explain it on board, so I will take much time to explain you. So what you want finally, you want 3ab value. Listen, if you want a square b square value, we need to do one process. If you want ab value, we need to do one process. So when you want ab value, if you add it, 6ab and minus 6ab are going to get cancelled, but actually we want ab term. So what I am going to do the symbol changing of everything. So 4a square minus 4a square will get cancelled, 9b square minus 9b square going to get cancelled, 6ab plus 6ab, 12ab is equals to 11 minus 7 is going to be 4. But what you want ab value or 3ab value, 3ab value. So if you want 3ab value, just divide with a 4 3 times. So 3ab is equals to 4 going to get cancelled 1. So 3ab is equals to 1. Understood? 12, what I got 12ab is equals to 1. And look at here, they can ask you anything. If they ask you ab value, ab is going to be 1 by 12. If they are asking you 2ab value, 2 times of 6. So 2 will be here, 6 will come here, it is going to be 1 over 6. But now what they are asking you, 12ab is equals to 1 and they are asking you 3ab. And this is nothing but 3 times of 4. Keep 3 here, 4 send this side. So it is going to be 3ab is equals to 1 upon 4. So 1 upon 4, no, actually this is 4. So 4 going to get cancelled 1. So 3ab is equals to 1. So which option? Option D is our answer for this question. Moving on to the question number 9. So moving on to the 9th question, x power 4 plus x square y square plus y power 4 is equals to 97. And xy given 8 and they are asking you to find x square plus xy plus y square. I told you before only. This formula is equals to x power 4 plus x square y square plus y power 4 is equals to x square plus xy plus xy square into x square minus xy plus y square. Very important formula. And they given here 297. And here something will come and here something will come, and we want this value. Okay na? And definitely x square plus y square plus xy will be the larger value, x square plus y square minus xy will be the smaller value. And if you go with the option verification, 27 and 11, 19 and 23. Okay na? Look at 297, 9 3s 27, again 3 times of 11. So we can write 27 times of 11. So you can use 27 here and 11 here. Yes, definitely option A. So x square plus xy plus y square is equals to 27. X square minus xy plus y square is equals to 11. We are going with just option verification. And if they ask you what is the value of x square plus y square only, x square plus y square is equals to 27. This xy will go that side, minus xy, and xy value 8 and it is going to the minus 8. How much? 21. Or look at here also, x square plus y square is equals to this minus xy will go that side. There also you can do 27 minus 8 is going to be the 19, right? And here x square plus y square is equals to 11 minus of xy will go that side, it becomes positive xy. So 11 plus 8 and it is going to be the 19. Yep, here also success and here also success. So definitely these two options are very correct answers for this situation. So x square plus xy plus y square is going to be 27, that is option A. And moving on to the last question of the video, that is 10th question. And as I told you, we are going to discuss total 100 questions of very important and which are regularly repeating questions for the SSC CGL. As a part of that, today we are going to discuss the first 10 questions in this episode. And with the one more question, I am going to end this session. And before leaving the session, what you need to do subscribe for my channel and please share with your friends and just give a kind of support. So moving on to the next question. So moving on to the last question of this episode, x square plus y square plus z square is equals to 14 and xy plus yz plus zx is equals to 11, and they are asking you x plus y plus z whole square. And listen, in this episode I am explaining actually basic questions which involves formula, because if you understand formulas very clearly, from the next episode it is going to be very easy to apply any formula at a particular situation. So moving on to the x plus y plus z whole square formula, it is going to be x square plus y square plus z square plus 2 times of xy plus yz plus z square. So this value already they given 14 plus 2 times of this value already they given 11. So 14 plus 22, it is going to be 36, right? Let me check the option. So option C. That's it. So today 10 questions completed very easily. So I just want to take a break from this video. So before leaving my channel, just do subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to get regular updates, and thank you. Jai Hind.